Hi, my name is Christina Gavenda with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to attach lace to a shirt. For this project, you'll need a shirt, the lace, 2 pieces of fusible iron-on tape, and an iron. Putting lace on a shirt is really easy, and if you don't have a sewing machine at home, you can always use fusible tape. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our tape and iron it on as per the instructions. Since our lace is wide, we're going to be using 2 pieces. Once it's cooled off, go ahead and peel off the paper. Then we're going to lay our lace panel down on the shirt and iron it onto the fusible tape. What an easy and fun way to decorate your shirt. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to attach lace to a shirt.